Welcome back! In the previous episode, we made some massive progress. We bolted up the front end structure of the BMW, installed both headlights, and got under the car to bolt down the underplate and the rest of the underfloor components. After that, we finally mounted the new front bumper and wrapped up the remaining items, which brings us now to...
And with that, let's do a bit of a movie editing trick and fast forward to the day after this car is ended and is back from the paint booth. And welcome back, everyone. Check this out. Alright, the car is almost there, but we still need to do one more thing before I can call it 100%. The car needs a wash, especially for the inside. We need to properly detail it, and after that we can mark this project as complete. Let's give it a bit of soak up first. Oh, this is so exciting! We're getting it cleaned. I love it. And now the exciting bit. Oh yes, it's perfect. We get it all soaked up. Nice. And now we start cleaning. And now we rinse it again. Alright, foaming it for the second time. Alright, what I like to use now, it's a very good paintbrush. Just make sure that you don't hit any metal part of it. They do sell paintbrushes or similar stuff to this with a plastic end, but not as good as this for the tip. So just make sure you don't hit any part of it, or you can put some tape around it. Alright, we use the paintbrush to get into all the crevices and every little place that our washing pad couldn't reach. So this is what I like to do, just to go into every bit that, you know, this can work its magic into it. Yes, you're gonna get some love as well. Diesel AdBlue fuel cap. I still don't know what the AdBlue is for. I mean, I know it's for reducing emissions, but it sounds like you're mixing water with diesel. Is that a thing? We rinse it again. Now we dry it all up with a drying towel and get it all cleaned up and nice, all shiny. So with the exterior all cleaned up, let's move on to the interior now. And we start that by doing a vacuum all over the car. I'm gonna do this off camera. I really don't wanna cause any noise for you all, so let's do that quick. So now for the carpets, what I have got myself is a carpet cleaner, a couple of rags just to, if I need to clean any of those surfaces, and also this brush so I can agitate the carpet and get all the dirt out of it. Okay, first I'm gonna agitate this with the carpet cleaner solution. Ooh, it smells so good. And now we use this. And now we suck all the dirt out. it's working. And now we're gonna do all of this area. And now we vacuum. And all of this is looking nice and smelling good. Now onto the seats. So I'm gonna put a bit of a leather cleaner on all of the seats. Oh, that thing really sprays. There you go. Soak in, car, enjoy it. And I'm going to use another paintbrush to get to all these little holes that is hard to see. Onto the last seat. It kind of reminds me of painting. I'm not a painter, but who else was watching Bob Ross at like middle of the night and just getting all relaxed? And
Yeah, I got to make a big decision here. Maybe he lives right here, just floats around in the clouds.
you guys remember Bob Ross, right? Or am I just too old for you? And now I'm gonna use a steamer to make sure all is clean and nice. Wow, look at this. And look at this seat now. Looking brand new again. And now we use a steamer to clean up these areas. Oh yeah, this is a clean cup holder for clean cups. Also, I'm gonna see if I can get into that little white spot right there. And yeah, all gone. And now we're gonna use the steam cleaner to clean up the steering wheel. Clean it all up. Now let's clean these vents. With the steering wheel all cleaned up and looking brand new again, let's get another rag special for display and the windshield and the mirror. And now we do the same for the carpets of the car. First we vacuum it, and then we agitate. And then we soak it all in. And the reveal of a dirty water. Oh my God, that was really, really bad. I mean, look at it. That water was so dirty. And our BMW is fully cleaned and all detailed up. I mean, this looks like a brand new car again. I love how it came out. And the front end looking incredible and all good. This was a very, very difficult car to deal with, but it turned out really, really nice. And that's it. Now we can officially mark this project complete. And with this project complete, it's time to end this episode. Thank you so much all for watching this video. If you like the contents that I make, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share the videos with your loved ones. It will really help me a lot to grow this channel further. And I'll catch you up on the next episode.